Okay, now we just started recording. The stop recording is right here in the top. So the first lesson is how to do an opening. So in iWeb, we're going to go to Keynote. We're going to use the template that we used in the past. And the template is going to be 1802S. And this is how it looks. Hit play. So it has the entrance with the comments. And then it goes to the next page. And then it has the compression with the price. And then that's it. And then we'll export that. So let's go to the template if we want to make changes. So we're going to go here and let's say it is Shavonna Williams. I don't know if I spelled it right. Did I? Yeah. Okay. And then the address.
It should be 2 L's. I-A-N-S.
Oh, that's true.
It's your last name too.
Yeah. That's why you're here. All right. So the new spelling is without the S.
It's weird.
Wilms. So you double click in here and it's going to be 1802 New Hampshire. Okay. All right. So now we have this. And we're going to do File, Save As, and we're going to call this Sample Opening, Save. Okay, now if we want to change the builds, we click on here, and then we go to the inspector, and then on the build, this is the build icon here. To build in, if we want to make changes to the build in, right now we have a comment, but we want to change it to, let's say, a cube. And now that's how it looks. The cube on the top and the comment on the bottom. So if I want to change the bottom, highlight it. And then right now is a comment build. Let's say I want to make it flash bulbs. Click on, say, flames. So we're doing a Harley. So flames, now it'll cube on the top and flame in on the bottom. So now let's say we like that. If we want to build out, we can do a build out as well. And we can highlight what we want to have built out. So this, which is the top, the build out is going to be, let's say, a blast. You can change the seconds here to make it last a little bit longer, make it a little more interesting. Let's say 3.5 seconds. And then that's it. Now these builds will be started on a click or automatically. So we're going to be all automatic. Alright, so we close this up and let's hit play, see how it looks. And there we go. Okay, the next one is, of course, the price. Okay, so now that's going to be our new opening. So now we want to export this. So we go to Share, Export. It'll give you several options. You can export directly to an iPod, HTML, images, PDF, PowerPoint, or QuickTime. In this case, we're going to export to QuickTime. And use Manual Advance, full quality, and we're going to go to fixed timing actually. So click Playback Uses, fixed timing, and this will tell you how long it'll be, and then the build duration, and then if you want to have it repeated or not. So that's it. So we hit next. And we want to put it somewhere, so let's just put it under LJ Productions. Put it under here, and we'll just put sample opening, and we're going to put export. And now what you'll notice is that it'll show you how it's going to look right here. So I was doing the build. Okay, it's got the blast. Probably a little bit too dramatic for us, but you get the idea. And next time we'll do one that's a little bit quicker. Now there's another software. This is using obviously QuickTime, which comes with your Mac. There's another software called ScreenFlow. And it'll allow you to do the same thing to record your what you're doing on your screen. But if you want to speed parts up, you can do that as well. Yeah. So, all right. So we're done. So now that concludes this session of just doing a build.